Hello my friend, happy to see you here and welcome back to my channel Mathematics. Really interesting challenge for us today. We have a really interesting, tricky, relaxing question. We have 10 divided by 2 and in parentheses we have 1 plus 4. So on the first side this is like very easy question. We don't have like a huge numbers. This is not like 1000. This is not like powers right here. So we have like only number that we know really well because this is like from 1 to 10. We have 2, 4, 10. This is not like a huge numbers. We have division, we have addition, we have right here multiplication. This is not like a hard math operations right here, so we can easily solve it because everyone learned this stuff in the 3rd grade, so we can easily solve it. But this is a very tricky question, and right now I suggest you to pause the video and try to solve it by yourself. Right here we have 3 options, option A, option B, option C. So what do you think, which one is correct? It's really interesting because we will check our answers here in just 1 minute, so I hope you will solve this correctly. Okay, so here's our question. So we have 10 divided by 2 and in parentheses we have 1 plus 4. So as you can see right here we have division sign, we have multiplication sign right here and parentheses, yeah? So we have like division, we have right here multiplication, we have parentheses. In the same way we can solve it in another direction, in another order, because this is like from left to right, division, multiplication, parentheses. We can easily solve it as like parentheses, multiplication, division, or division, like a parentheses, multiplication. So as you can see, a lot of combinations right here, maybe 6 combination, yeah? So right here we have a lot of combination, and in math we're interested like in one correct answer, because we cannot like solve it in 3 options, or we can't say that the answer is 1 and 9, so the same answers, the same option but different answers, so we cannot say like that. In math we need to know how can we solve this correctly and according to a correct order of operation, because a lot of combinations right here and we need to solve it according to a correct order of operation, because obviously whatever order of operation we select is going to create a different answer, right? In math we are interested in one correct answer, so let's look at this order of operation. For this question I have this PEMDAS order of operation. This is the most popular order of operation in the world. All internet libraries, scientific graphing calculator works according to PEMDAS. And for this question I prepare this PEMDAS paper right here, and I want to say that I respect every order of operation. I respect BODMAS, I respect whatever order of operation in the world, I respect it, because a lot of countries solve it in a different like order of operation, have their own order of operation, and I respect it. But I chose PEMDAS because this is the most popular order of operation in the world. I learned this PEMDAS and a lot of countries solve it according to PEMDAS, but I respect, for example, BODMAS and a lot of different order of operation, so let's solve it according to PEMDAS. So we have 10 divided by 2 and in parentheses we have 1 plus 4. So as you can see right here we had a lot of combination, but according to PEMDAS we have only one first step. The first step, parentheses. As you can see right here we have parentheses, we have this parentheses step, so let's look at it. Where do we have these parentheses right here? Let's look at it. Yeah, we have parentheses right here, so we need to start from it. Right here we don't have on the left hand side, we have right here our parentheses. So we have 10 divided by 2 and times 1 plus 4 equal to 5. And this is maybe the main viral question in the world, because a lot of discussion about it, a lot of discussion about this division then multiplication, or multiplication then division, and I would say I respect every of this order of operation, I respect it, but I will solve it according to PEMDAS, and I explained you why like 1 minute before. Okay, exponents, we don't have any exponents right here, because we don't have any squares, cubes, we have like a regular expression without any powers. Okay, the next step, multiplication. But according to PEMDAS, this is a very tricky moment because a lot of students forget about it. We need to look at it as a group. So multiplication and division, this is like one common group, and we need to scan where do we have this multiplication and division signs. Let's look at it in the perspective of multiplication and division sign. So right here we have division sign, so we need this expression, and we still have multiplication sign. So it's really great. All our expression, we just solve it according to this multiplication and division group. So we have multiplication, we have division group. We don't have addition, we don't have subtraction. So just going a little bit faster, so we don't have it. Yeah, we have only multiplication and division sign. So right now I feel one part of you prefer this multiplication at first, because we have like 10 divided by 2 times 5 equal to 10, so it looks like A is a correct answer for some countries. I don't know exactly, but some countries solve it according to another order of operation, and they say, okay, option A is a correct answer. But according to PEMDAS, this is like more easier for us because we just need to scan what is the first sign from left to right. We have two signs. This is on the right hand side, this is on the left hand side. So right here from left to right is this first division. So we need to divide it first. 10 divided by 2, so it is our first step. 10 divided by 2 equal to 5. And 5 with this 5, this is like a basic multiplication, equal to 25. This is option B. I prefer this option. I solve it like that because I prefer PMDMC, but I respect every order of operation. And for example, if in your country correct answer is option A, I respect it. A lot of people, a lot of opinions, a lot of thoughts about it, and it's great. All people are different. All the countries, maybe some countries are the same, some different, and a lot of countries have their own order of operation, and we need to respect it. But I prefer this option, option B. So this is my thoughts about this question. I hope you understand it. I hope you understand my thoughts well, and thank you for your time. Have a great day. I wish you all the best, and see you in the next videos.